Okay, so as you talk, explain to me the concept.
Okay, so these are the little unicorns, and then like this whole cake part, you can make it out of chocolate or vanilla and frosting. And then this is the unicorn where he's like, this is like the little gate, and he's like, no vegetables, and he's pointing to where they go.
Where did they go?
To the trash can and the dinky little snack table.
What kind of snacks do they get at the vegetable party?
Half-eaten chocolate bar wrapped in wrapper, and then this is sweat juice. Sweat juice.
Oh, that's gross. And what kind of food did they have at the unicorn party?
So these are the cups, and this is a little milk machine, and then you take your cup and put it like right there, and then it goes ding, and then you can take it out and it has milk in the cup. And then these are pink cookies and a pink frosted cake.
Okay, and what do you do inside the unicorn party?
You can have all the fun you want, and like you can dance on top of the cake.
Okay, and why am I making this cake?
Because
What inspired you to have me make this cake?
a show I watch,
What's it called?
I Draw You Cook.
Okay, so it's a challenge for me,
Yeah.
and you want to be surprised.
Yeah.
Okay, wish me luck.
Yay!
Challenge accepted. This party, they have to go to the sad vegetable party where they have really bad snacks and sweat juice. But once you're inside the unicorn party, if you're not a vegetable, you can have pink cookies and milk and have a dance party. So we'll see. Okay, so what do you see?
I see yellow, pink, brown, and pink.
So what do you think is in each of the color?
It smells like cake mix. I think the brown's chocolate, this is vanilla, strawberry. Is that strawberry? That's so funny. I wonder what the chocolate would taste like. I bet it will taste really good.
Yeah, is chocolate your favorite flavor?
I don't know.
I think so. You need some milk to wash that down.
Yeah. And then shake as best as she can, and I think she did good.
So this was the vision. Unicorn party. There's there's a bouncer that has no vegetables inside. He gets to go to a sad party with no food.
They have a dinky snack table.
It says, "You win. I love you, Mom." Mwah. I win. I win. Challenge 1.
Yay.
Yay.